Hi there cuties. We are here with a new video most people want. Making your notes in an aesthetic way is a very productive and effective idea. So watch this video till the end to make aesthetic notes. Tip number 1. Choosing the right stationery is key to making your notes both beautiful and effective. Use pens, notebooks, and highlighter or even colors to underline main points. Choose dotted or lined notebooks rather than using blank pages as they make it hard to write. Tip number 2. Organizing your notebooks with sticky notes or aesthetic subject covers can make studying more efficient and visually pleasing. Use colorful dividers, subject-themed covers, or sticky tabs to keep your notes neat and easy to access. Tip number 3. Note importance points in bullet points and write heading in bold and bigger handwriting to make IR clear. Underline using highlighters or even pen. Tip number 4. You can also add cute stickers and prints in your notes to make it engaging. And that's how you can make your notes both aesthetic and effective. Try these tips and let your creativity shine. Happy studying! Like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to get more inspiring and budget-free ideas.